So you can easily log into your Facebook account without entering a password. This is really unsafe. Let's see how you can remove your saved login info in 3 ways from your Facebook. So first you have to open up your Facebook app and tap the hamburger menu. And from the settings page, you have to hit this account center. And now from the list, you have to go password and security. Here you will find the section called saved login. Just open it up and here you can see exactly where your account is logged in with saved login info. Now just tap on each one of these and it will be removed automatically. Keep removing them one by one until the list is completely empty. After that, just back once. Also, you have to check the where you are logged in section. This shows all the devices currently logged into your account. Review the list and just select and log out from any devices you don't recognize or don't use anymore. And now the process you must have to follow to fully remove all saved info, you have to log out of your account first. After you have logged out on a device, tap the three dots next to your profile. You will see an option called remove your profile from this device and remove your account and confirm the process. After this, whenever you're logged in on that device again, Facebook will require your login info and the account will no longer open automatically. Isn't it really safe than before? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.